Hey everyone, have you ever had a great idea for a website or app but don't know how to build it? Searching for freelancers, worrying about budgets, or even thinking about learning to code? But it just felt like too much. What if I told you there's a way to bring that idea to life without all the stress and complexity? A way that's quick, easy, and requires zero coding skills. No freelancers, no budget worries. Just a smooth, simple process to make your vision a reality. Today, I'm about to show you something that could change everything. So what exactly is Hostinger Horizons? Think of it as your all-in-one digital assistant. It combines the skills of a designer, developer, and copywriter into one tool. You just describe your idea in plain language, and with over 80 languages supported, it starts building your project instantly. And the best part? It doesn't just design your site, it builds, hosts, and publishes everything in one place. So, if you're ready to start building your dreams right now, just click the link in the description below and sign up with your email or Google. But hey, don't skip ahead. Stick around for the entire video because I've got an exclusive discount just for you at the end. Now let me show you just how easy it is to use. After logging in, here is a simple prompt box. This is where the magic begins. You'll type in what you want to create, like I type an online store for handmade jewelry. You can see Horizons takes that prompt, and within seconds, presents you with a first draft of your website or web app. Seriously, it's crazy. You can see how quickly it can generate a coherent and functional design from a simple text description. Once the initial draft is ready, the refining process is just as simple. You can chat with the AI to make changes, add sections, or even reword content. Want to change the layout of a specific page? Give prompt again, and it will integrate it effortlessly. It's all done instantly, and there's no waiting around for edits like you'd get with a freelancer. Fast and effortless. Another big plus, everything you build is fully hosted on Hostinger's powerful servers. Now, if you're happy with your project, launching it only takes one click. You can register your domain, set up hosting, and even create a professional email address, all from one place. No need to deal with multiple services or confusing tech steps, and it doesn't stop there. Beyond just building a static website, Hostinger Horizons allows you to create dynamic web apps with crucial functionalities. You can easily integrate popular payment gateways like Stripe, allowing you to accept payments directly through your website or app. And if you need user authentication for your web app, no problem. Horizons supports integrations like Supabase, making it simple to add authentication and backend features. These real features make your project truly complete and ready for real-world use. Whether you're building an e-commerce site, a booking system, or a community platform, you can even connect with services like PayPal and Google AdSense for even more flexibility. What makes it even better is that it's designed to grow with you. It creates content, web app, and websites that's already optimized for SEO and conversions. That means your website or app isn't just pretty, it's built to perform. Plus, you get 24/7 multilingual customer support whenever you need assistance. This platform is built and powered by Hostinger, a company with over 2 decades of experience serving millions of users globally, so you know you're in reliable hands. They even use a mix of the most reliable large language models, LLMs, to power your ideas. When it comes to flexibility, Hostinger Horizons shines. You can chat with the AI to create, edit, and update your project even after it's launched. You can restore older versions of your project anytime, duplicate your work for new ideas, and even export your code if you want to move it elsewhere or make custom changes. It also offers a flexible pricing model, allowing you to choose the plan that best suits your needs, and you can even try it out with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? That incredible idea you've been sitting on, the one that could change everything for you or your business. It's time to launch it today with Hostinger Horizons. Click the link in the description right now and use my code to get 10% off. Start building your future effortlessly.